I love anything that can organize either my closet or a cupboard or even your fridge. This right here is a Lazy Susan. This one is really tall for the fridge, but I definitely have seen people use these before. This one's going to go into my cupboard. These are all my extra. I'm noticing that I have a lot of extra sauces. So these are just kind of my unopened sauces that obviously aren't ready to be in the fridge yet. And then so it's so nice just to have them on here. Up at the top, you have, there are no dividers here, so you can just kind of stack everything in here. And then on the bottom, you actually have 3 little trays that are removable. So you could actually take these out if you don't want to have the trays. So just depending if you want to kind of keep everything separated in their own little bins, or you can just kind of throw them together and take out the trays, which is kind of cool. So obviously this is not just used for condiments. This would be really great like in like if you want to do your accessories, if you want to do your makeup, you could have this on the counter and like do your fruit if you want to. Instead of like a fruit basket, you can have something like that. I love that it is 360. Obviously that's what makes it the Lazy Susan, so it makes it nice and easy just to reach everything. But yeah, great way to keep everything organized. This one here was sent for my review and I am a big fan.